Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma hakalai poterik ulapli paitba yaka Mawrah multi-purpose water reservoir hakajialang ke balong ha Mawrah.
Congratulations to the Mawrah village and each and everyone whoever is present here today.
Laya don lang hakani kesngi kentup ke Menteri Kakuat Kakya Kong M. Lingdo, Menteri PHE Marcus M. Marang, bat MLA Sora Gavin Milium. Conrad K. Sangma habakren ulaong bakajing penek pensa ya ka bat kajing shna ya ka jaka pyllang kadai ka wei na kimat bakongsan jong ka sorkar. Ngila the pisa kumba saus pak kelur hakini ki lais namban wan ban shna ya ki jaka pyllang habaro ka wei ka jela laong Conrad. Ula pentip batang saw hadut 100% ka slap lala ban pyllang bat ka batam ka toi syakiri bat ki jela bamarjan. Da ka batau ya ki jaka pyllang kani kan ya rap ban tengka ya ka Menteri Rangba ulaong baka Mawrah multi-purpose water reservoir nalor bakan pyllang ya ka kan yarap ru ban kyntiew ya ka tourism aquaculture bat farming.
The water conservation and the entire protection and creating reservoirs is one of the more important things that this government is focusing on. We will be roughly investing close to 400 crores in the span of next 3 years, creating hundreds of reservoirs across the state. Just to give an idea to you, we are only able to keep about 4 to 5% of the water that we get because of the rains. And most of the water flows away into Bangladesh or to Assam. And hence the only way to stop the flow of the water or to preserve or conserve the water is to create dams like these. And hence this is one of the projects, a very successful one, and I thank and congratulate the Soil Conservation Department and all the officers who have been involved in making this a success. Big congratulations to you. The work has been done exceptionally well, and we can see from the completion also that it is also in a way an engineering, kind of a nice engineering and architecture marvel also. So it's a great project, and once again I congratulate the team headed by our officials, the director and commissioner and secretary, and of course our honorable minister. Our purpose of having these reservoirs is also not just to conserve, but as was mentioned by Dr. Amperin Lingdo, we want to see that this can be used for multi-purpose activities, be it for farming, be it for creating different aquaculture, or be it for tourism. And hence, let me assure you that tourism is going to be a very important part. As you all know, for the first time from the main road up to Kongtong village, 25 kilometers of road, this may be the first time in the history of the state that the entire 25 kilometers will be black-topped. As you know that this particular stretch, which is not black-topped as of now, already a 15 crore PMGSY road is been sanctioned and work is going on, and I have spoken to the contractor. We expect the work to be completed by January 2025. In 1 year's time, the entire road will be black-topped, and this will be a great blessing for the people, and also it will be a great blessing from the tourism point of view.
This way is at the dam, you can see the other side, sir. We have spillways. Yes, in case it overflows. Yes, sir. And these has been designed along the ergon. Oh, the ergon. Oh, yes. Big hit into big. So we can see that these birds. Yeah, these are swallows. Ah. Nice. Wow. Beautiful. The chisel is here. After that, we'll have a photo. Yes. The chisel here.